Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online.
Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates.
Google's Project Magi. Google's making big changes to search. Google Project Magi, a new type of search engine, will allow users to do transactions right there on Google without going to a website. The release of Project Magi is going to change how we perform search. What is Google Project Magi? Project Magi is a new type of search engine powered by AI that Google is working on. It was initially launched on May 2023 to 1 million users within the United States. And depending how the trial goes, the company expects to expand this to 30 million users by the end of the year. Google is getting worried. There are some rumors going around about Samsung potentially making Bing its default search engine, which would cost Google around $3 billion. If a similar thing also happened with Apple, it would cost them even more money. Google's getting nervous, of course, because everyone's talking about AI and ChatGPT and how Microsoft's integrating it. And when Google released Bard, it didn't have the best reviews and their stock price went down 10% in 1 week, losing them billions of dollars. So Google Search is getting an overhaul. Voila! Google Maggie. Project Maggie has about 160 engineers who are focused on it, and what they're doing is trying to make Google Search more conversational like ChatGPT. This will be in direct competition to the ChatGPT-powered search engine Bing. So, for example, if you're looking for new running shoes over time, it will learn the size of the shoe that you wear, if you have narrow feet or wide feet, as well as allow you, and this is a big one, to do a financial transaction right there on Google without going to a website. In other words, you can purchase these sneakers or books or a new computer or an airplane ticket or anything else. This is going to have a huge implications for both paid ads and SEO. How does this new Google search work? Google Project Magi is an artificial intelligence search engine that uses a variety of AI techniques to understand natural language queries and provide more accurate and relevant search results. These techniques include machine learning, or ML. ML is a field of computer science that deals with the development of algorithms that can learn from data. Second is deep learning, or DL. DL is a subset of ML that uses artificial neural networks to learn from data. DL techniques are used to train the NLP models that are used in Project Magi. And the third one is natural language processing, or NLP. NLP is the field of computer science that deals with the interaction between computers and human natural languages. What are the benefits of using Google Project Magi? Overall, Google Project Magi looks to be a powerful search engine that uses AI to provide a more personalized, conversational, and visual search experience. So you can personalize search results, conversational search, visual search, more accurate and relevant results, and more engaging and intuitive search experience. So what are the limitations of Google Project Magi? Here are some of the limitations of Google Project Magi so far. It is still in development, not available to everyone, may not be as effective for all queries, and may raise privacy concerns. The impact of Google Project Magi on SEO. The release of Project Magi has huge implications for SEO. Traditionally, SEO has been about optimizing websites for keywords and phrases to rank higher in search results. However, with Project Magi, the search experience would become more conversational and personalized. This means that the focus of SEO would shift towards creating content that answers users' questions directly and provides personalized solutions. Going back to our shoes example, if a user is looking for the best running shoes for wide feet, the focus of SEO would shift towards creating content that directly answers that query. The content would need to provide personalized solutions based on that user's preferences, such as their shoe size and width. People are afraid that Google's just taking traffic away, but these things create a better search experience and cause more people to use Google in the long run. If you look at what Google's done in the past with, for instance, weather, it used to be when you wanted to search what the weather was in Los Angeles, California, or Vancouver, BC, you would go to weather.com or Google would send you to a website. Now, it just shows you the weather right there in search results. How amazing is that? And there were many more changes with things like the knowledge graph that ended up changing how SEO was done. So what does this mean for marketers? There are still going to be ads. Google is a business and they are publicly traded, which means they have no choice but to earn money in a profitable way. But the way ads will work in the long run will change. Think of it this way. You currently pay a cost per click for ads. On your end, you backend that out to a cost per acquisition, and then you model it out for a profit and loss perspective. If it's profitable, you spend more or try to at least so you can get more clicks. If it isn't profitable, you reduce how much you're willing to spend per click. Google will end up shifting to a cost per acquisition model eventually. This makes it easy on the marketer's end and it can create a better user experience. Plus, if your website isn't great, you can still make money as it is all happening on Google's end. From an SEO perspective, there are always keywords that will drive traffic to your site. Even with changes that may take clicks away from your site, overall they have still been driving more traffic. I would expect these new features to increase traffic on Google, which will help counteract some of the clicks that would be taken away from your site. Plus, there will be a new form of SEO. When Google is searching for products or services to show people through Project Magi, how can you optimize your site so that they show your products and services? Doesn't matter as much if someone clicks on over to your site. What really matters is who is getting the sale. If you are, it's still a win. So, what do you think of Google's new changes? Before we end this video, let me introduce to you Vidscribe AI. Your business needs more high-quality traffic. Unlock a fresh and high-quality traffic source that 99% of your competition hasn't exploited. Rank on local language SRPs with subtitled and redubbed videos in hundreds of languages, all with a click. Automatically subtitle any video in the language you choose. Automatically redub voice-over videos in the language of your choice. Get local language captions, SRT for your videos for higher rankings. Transcribe, translate, and redub your videos in local languages with Vidscribe AI. Get highly accurate videos with best-in-class transcriptions, translations, and redubbing all done for you. Upload videos on auto to YouTube, to Facebook, and even to Instagram and Snapchat through Dropbox. Includes powerful training that shows you how to rank to the top with local languages, and a lot more. So what are you waiting for? Get Vidscribe AI now. Just go to vidscribe.in. I hope you find this video helpful, and thanks for watching.